The pomegranate. A fruit steeped in history and symbolism, its vibrant red jewels have captivated civilizations for millennia. From ancient myths to modern medicine, the pomegranate holds a unique allure. Beyond its cultural significance lies a nutritional powerhouse packed with antioxidants and vitamins. Today, the journey of this ancient fruit from orchard to our tables is a testament to the advancements in modern farming technology. Join us as we delve into the meticulous process of cultivating, harvesting, and processing pomegranates in the 21st century. We'll explore how technology intertwines with tradition to bring this superfood to the world. Pomegranates, while resilient, thrive in specific conditions. Warm, dry climates with plenty of sunshine are ideal for these ancient fruits. The soil, too, plays a crucial role, needing good drainage to prevent waterlogging. Modern pomegranate orchards utilize technology to ensure these optimal conditions. Automated irrigation systems deliver precise amounts of water directly to the roots, minimizing waste and maximizing growth. Drones equipped with sensors monitor the tree's health, identifying nutrient deficiencies or signs of disease. This data allows farmers to apply targeted fertilizers and treatments, optimizing the orchard's health and productivity. The arrival of harvest season signals a flurry of activity in the pomegranate orchard. Farmers with their skilled hands move through the rows of trees, carefully selecting the ripest fruits. Each pomegranate is a testament to months of nurturing and care, and the harvest is a celebration of their hard work. The once green fruits have transformed into deep red orbs, their leathery skins stretched taut with juicy arils. These vibrant pomegranates, hanging like jewels on the branches, are a sight to behold. The deep red color indicates their readiness, a signal to the farmers that it's time to gather these precious fruits. While manual harvesting remains prevalent, ensuring the fruit's delicate skin isn't bruised, technology plays an increasing role. The gentle touch of human hands is unmatched in its ability to preserve the integrity of each pomegranate. However, as the demand for efficiency grows, so does the reliance on innovative harvesting methods. Mechanical harvesters, resembling large shaking machines, gently vibrate the branches, causing ripe pomegranates to fall onto cushioned nets below. These machines are designed to mimic the natural motion of the wind, ensuring that the fruits are dislodged without causing harm. The nets catch the falling pomegranates, preventing them from hitting the ground and getting damaged. This method, while efficient, requires careful calibration to prevent damage to the trees and fruit. The machinery must be precisely tuned to shake the branches just enough to release the ripe pomegranates without harming the tree or the fruit. It's a delicate balance, a dance between technology and nature. The choice between manual and mechanical harvesting depends on factors like orchard size, labor availability, and the intended use of the pomegranates. Smaller orchards may favor the traditional method, valuing the precision and care of human hands. Larger operations, however, might lean towards mechanical harvesters to meet the demands of scale and efficiency. Ultimately, both methods have their place in the delicate dance of hands and machines, each contributing to the successful harvest of these treasured fruits. Once harvested, pomegranates embark on a journey to processing facilities, where advanced technology takes center stage. The first step involves thorough cleaning to remove any dirt, leaves, or debris collected during harvesting. Conveyor belts transport the pomegranates through washing stations equipped with gentle brushes and jets of water. Next, optical sorting machines using cameras and sensors analyze each fruit for size, color, and any imperfections. This automated process ensures that only the highest quality pomegranates proceed to the next stage, seed extraction. Section 5. Technological precision, extracting the jewels within. Extracting the arils, the juicy sacs containing the pomegranate seeds, is a delicate process. Each aril is a tiny gem bursting with flavor and nutrients, but also incredibly fragile. Advanced machinery specifically designed to minimize damage to the delicate arils has revolutionized this stage. These machines are a marvel of modern engineering, combining precision and care to handle the fruit gently. These machines use a combination of pressure and gentle abrasion to separate the arils from the rind and membranes. The process is carefully calibrated to ensure that the arils remain intact, preserving their quality and taste. Despite the efficiency of these machines, manual quality checks remain crucial. Machines can handle the bulk of the work, but the human touch is irreplaceable when it comes to ensuring perfection. Trained workers inspect the extracted arils, removing any bits of membrane or damaged seeds. Their expertise and attention to detail are essential in maintaining the high standards expected in the industry. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that only the highest quality pomegranate arils are used for juice, fresh consumption, or further processing. The end result is a product that is not only delicious but also visually appealing, meeting the expectations of consumers around the world. Whether enjoyed as a refreshing juice or as a vibrant addition to salads and desserts, the journey of the pomegranate aril from fruit to table is a testament to the blend of technology and human skill. Each step, from extraction to quality control, plays a vital role in delivering the perfect pomegranate experience. The story of the pomegranate aril is one of precision and care, a journey that begins in the orchards and ends in the hands of satisfied consumers. It is a process that highlights the importance of both innovation and tradition in modern agriculture. Section 6. Beyond the seed pomegranate juice and beyond. The versatility of the pomegranate extends far beyond its juicy arils. While pomegranate juice, with its refreshing tartness and health benefits, remains a popular choice, the fruit's applications are vast. Pomegranate extract, rich in antioxidants, finds its way into cosmetics, skincare products, and even pharmaceuticals. The processing of pomegranate juice involves several steps, including pasteurization to ensure safety and extend shelf life, filtration to remove any remaining sediment, and packaging into bottles or cartons. The seeds themselves can be pressed to extract pomegranate seed oil, a valuable ingredient in culinary and cosmetic applications. Section 7. A global journey, packaging and distribution. The final stage in the journey of the pomegranate involves careful packaging and distribution to ensure this nutritious fruit reaches consumers worldwide. Modern packaging technology plays a crucial role in preserving the freshness and extending the shelf life of pomegranates and their products. Specialized packaging materials, often with controlled atmospheres, help maintain optimal temperature and humidity levels during transportation. Refrigerated trucks and shipping containers ensure the fruit arrives at its destination in pristine condition, ready to be enjoyed by consumers thousands of miles from the orchard. Section 8. Reflection Technology's hand in nature's bounty. The journey of the pomegranate, from ancient orchards to our tables, highlights the remarkable interplay between nature and technology. This fruit, with its rich history and cultural significance, has been cultivated for thousands of years. Yet, it is only in recent times that we have seen such a dramatic transformation in how it is grown and harvested. While traditional knowledge and manual labor remain integral, modern farming technology has revolutionized the cultivation, harvesting, and processing of this ancient fruit. Farmers once relied solely on their hands and simple tools, but now they have access to advanced machinery that can perform tasks more efficiently and with greater precision. This blend of old and new methods ensures that the pomegranate retains its natural qualities while benefiting from technological advancements. From precision irrigation and drone-assisted monitoring to automated sorting and extraction machines, technology empowers us to cultivate and share nature's bounty with greater efficiency and reach. Precision irrigation systems ensure that each pomegranate tree receives the optimal amount of water, reducing waste and promoting healthier growth. Drones provide real-time data on crop health, allowing farmers to make informed decisions quickly. Automated sorting machines streamline the post-harvest process, ensuring that only the best fruits make it to market. As we marvel at the technological advancements in food production, it's crucial to remember the delicate balance between innovation and sustainability, ensuring that future generations can savor the unique flavors and benefits of the pomegranate. Sustainable farming practices, such as organic cultivation and eco-friendly pest control, play a vital role in maintaining this balance. By integrating these practices with modern technology, we can protect the environment while continuing to enjoy the fruits of our labor. The pomegranate's journey from farm to table is a testament to the harmonious relationship between tradition and innovation, a relationship that promises a bountiful future for all.